first video, we'll be reviewing the laptop stand from Nexstand. This laptop stand comes with a travel pouch, a manual that comes in English and Chinese instructions, laptop stand, and these nested spacers which will be discussed later. Okay, so personally, box pa lang, sobrang okay na tong Nexstand na to. Makapal siya and hindi siya madaling mapipi, so you can keep it for a very long time. Next, we have our manual, and as I have mentioned earlier, this has Chinese and English instructions. It's a very simple read manual lang naman, so you can set up your Nexstand just by reading this. Next, we have the nested spacers. So, ito ay ginagamit para dun sa mga maninipis na laptops. So, kinakabit lang siya dun sa mismong laptop stand para magamit natin for thin laptops. So, we'll show you later. Next stand also included a travel pouch for easy carry of the laptop stand. After checking what's inside the box, let's start reviewing this product. To extend our laptop stand, all we have to do is to hold the base with two hands and gently pull them apart. Ayan, so sobrang bilis lang niyang i-set up. Based on Nexstand's advertisement, meron itong 8 height adjustment. So let's check kung paano natin ma-adjust yung height. Okay, now so we will try to adjust the height. Okay, so both sides meron tayong lever. As you can see, ang gagawin lang natin dyan sa lever na yan ay ipupush natin and then apply lang tayo ng downward pressure. Okay, so kung pataas naman, push and then apply lang tayo ng upward pressure. And for every height adjustments, makakarinig kayo ng click that would confirm na na-lock na yung stand height natin. Since nakuha na natin yung desired height, check naman natin if kaya niyang i-carry itong Asus ROG GL553VD. So, as you can see, medyo makapal siya. And this weighs approximately 2 kilograms. For the placement of the laptop, insert lang natin siya dito sa semicircle called arc grips and dahan-dahan natin siyang ibaba sa armrest. Ayan, na-place na natin yung laptop. So, hindi magsiskid yung laptop since meron siyang rubber-like texture dito sa arc grips natin and as well as sa armrest natin. Okay? Testingin natin. Regarding with height adjustment, once the laptop is placed, pwede pa rin natin siyang ibaba. However, pag itataas natin siya, we need to remove the laptop first bago natin siya mai-adjust. To remove, iaangat lang yung laptop towards you. And as you can see, nagfa-flex yung arc grips niya for better support. So, para kahit anong height yung mapili natin, magigrip niya fully yung ating laptop. Medyo mahirap lang tanggalin yung laptop, lalo na kung mabigat since makapit. So, kailangan mo talagang alalayan. Paano kung ibang laptop naman yung gagamitin natin? So, like this one, manipis siya. Masyadong malaki yung arc grips para sa gantong klase ng laptop. Hindi siya naho-hold completely ng ating arc grips, so dumudulas siya and may tendency siyang mahulog. So that's where the nested spacers will come in handy. Lalagay lang natin siya sa allotted space dito sa ating arc grips. Okay, so yan. And then push lang natin. Okay? As simple as that. So, kabila naman, same drill. Okay, i-insert lang and then push. Ayan. Okay, nakabit na yung nested spacer. Maliit na yung opening ng ating arc grips. Testingin na natin kung kakasya na tong manipis na laptop natin. Okay? So, i-place lang natin yung laptop natin. And then, there. So, hindi na siya gumagalaw or hindi na siya magsiskip. Our laptop is now stable and we can really say that this laptop stand can carry thin or thick laptops. So, paano naman natin matatanggal yung nested spacers? Okay? So, just simply pull it and it's done. And that ends our video for today. Thank you so much, Savvies, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. See you on our next video.